Good morning, students. We are going to discuss the Unit 4 Basics of Air Conditioning. Up to this video lecture, we have discussed the refrigeration, that is the first part of refrigeration and air conditioning. Now, we are starting the second part, that is the basics of air conditioning. What is the difference between the air conditioning and refrigeration? Refrigeration is the process of maintaining the temperature of confined space below the surrounding temperature. Only here we are concentrating on temperature, but in air conditioning, so with the reduction in temperature, we are maintaining humidity, motion, and purity of air within a enclosed space. एअर कंडिशनिंग म्हणजे काय? एअर कंडिशनिंग इज द सायमल्टेनियस कंट्रोल ऑफ टेम्परेचर, ह्युमिडिटी, मोशन and purity of air within an enclosed space, that is either conducive of human comfort or are required by a product or process. Purpose of air conditioning. What is the purpose of air conditioning? Air conditioning is widely used in industry, commercial places, offices, hospitals, and for human comfort. What are the types of air conditioning? There are three types of air conditioning. Industrial air conditioning, used to control the condition of atmosphere required to any carry out industrial processes with efficiently, economically, and with better quality. Example where the we are maintaining the condition of the air: textile mills, paper mills, printings, photo processing plants, etc. Comfort air conditioning, it is provided for ultimate comfort of human being. Example, air conditioning system at home, offices, etc. In this case, any stay time of occupant is prolonged. Commercial air conditioning is similar to comfort air conditioning except that stay time of occupant is short. Here, the occupant is stay time of occupant is short, but large occupants are there in commercial air conditioning, so that large capacity of plant is what required. So, what are the factors which are affecting on human comfort? There are four factors which are affecting on human comfort. That is temperature of air, then humidity of air, then purity of air, and motion of air. So now the temperature in air conditioning, the control of temperature means the maintenance of any desired temperature within an enclosed space, even though the temperature of the outside air is above or below the desired room temperature. This is accomplished either the addition or removal of heat from the enclosed space as and when demanded. It may be noted that a human being feels comfortable when the air is at 21 degrees Celsius, 21 to 25 degrees Celsius, with relative humidity 40 to 60%. Humidity of air. The control of humidity of air means the second point is humidity of air. The control of humidity of air means the decreasing or increasing of moisture content of air during summer or winter respectively in order to produce comfortable and healthy conditions. The control of humidity is not only necessary for human comfort, but it also increases the efficiency of the workers. In general, for summer air conditioning, the relative humidity should not be less than 60%, whereas for winter air conditioning, it should not be more than 40%. The next is purity of air. Even the air is having temperature and humidity is within control. If air is contaminated with the other gases or dust and dirt particles, the human being cannot feel comfortable. So it is thus obvious that the proper filtration and cleaning, purification of air is essential to keep it free from dust and other impurities. Next one is motion of air. The motion of or circulation of air is another important factor which should be controlled in order to keep constant temperature throughout the conditioned space. Suppose what is the size of your room? Each and every corner of the room, the cold air should be, the conditioned air should be reached, so that you have to give proper motion to the air, or that is also called as throw of air. It is therefore necessary that there should be a equidistance of air throughout the space to be air conditioned, generally 5 to 8 meter per minute. Now we are going to discuss the psychrometric properties of air. So what is psychrometry? The science which deals with study of behavior of air and water vapor mixture are known as psychrometry. सायन्स सायक्रोमेट्री म्हणजे काय? हा एक ब्रांच ऑफ सायन्स आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये वॉटर वेपर्स अँड एअरचा मिक्सचरचा अभ्यास केला जातो. सो कंटिन्युअसली हवेमध्ये जो बाष्प असतो तो व्हेरी होत असतो. सकाळी एक वेगळं असतो, दुपारी त्याचं कंटेंट वेगळं असतं, 4-5 वाजता वेगळं असतो, रात्री वेगळा असतो. इट इज व्हेरिंग कंटिन्युअसली. सो ॲट डिफरंट सिच्युएशन्स व्हॉट आर द व्हेरियस प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द एअर, त्याचा अभ्यास करणे त्याला सायक्रोमेट्री म्हणतात. सो व्हॉट आर द सायक्रोमेट्रिक टर्म्स? Dry air. It is the air which does not contain any moisture in it. Dry air म्हणजे काय? Dry air is the purely air which does not contain any water vapors in it. Okay. So moist air. What is a moist air? It is a mixture of dry air and water vapor. The amount of water vapor present in the air depends upon absolute pressure and temperature of mixture and partial pressure of water vapor. सो मॉइस्ट एअर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ ड्राय एअर अँड वॉटर वेपर. ज्या एअरमध्ये वॉटर वेपर्स असतो त्याला काय म्हणू आपण? मॉइश्चर. आणि ज्या एअरमध्ये वॉटर वेपर नसतो त्याला काय म्हणूयात? ड्राय एअर. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज सॅच्युरेटेड एअर. व्हॉट इज द सॅच्युरेटेड एअर? द मिक्सचर ऑफ एअर अँड वॉटर वेपर ॲट गिवन टेम्परेचर इज सेट टू बी सॅच्युरेटेड व्हेन इट कंटेन्स मॅक्झिमम अमाऊंट ऑफ वॉटर वेपर्स दॅट इट कॅन होल्ड. जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या हवेमध्ये वॉटर ॲड करत जाऊ त्या हवेची एक कॅपॅसिटी असते की वॉट इट कॅन होल्ड द मॅक्झिमम अमाऊंट ऑफ वॉटर वेपर्स. फर्दर ॲडिशन ऑफ वॉटर वेपर्स अजून त्यात वॉटर वेपर्स ॲड करायला गेलो तर ते घेत नाही, तेव्हा आपण त्याला काय म्हणूयात? सॅच्युरेटेड एअर. सो टेक द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ अ क्लासरूम. अ क्लासरूम इज हॅव्हिंग 30 बेंचेस. ईच बेंच इज हॅव्हिंग on each bench 2 students are to be seated. So if there is 60 students are there in the class, then all 30 benches are occupied. Then further addition of the student is very difficult. मीन्स जेव्हा 30 स्टुडंट्स 60 स्टुडंट्स त्या रूममध्ये बसतील 30 बेंचवर, देन त्या रूमला आपण इट इज वॉट? सॅच्युरेटेड. फर्दर ॲडिशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. तसंच हवेमध्ये जे वॉटर वेपर्स आहे ते जी कंटेंट त्याची जी कॅपॅबिलिटी आहे त्याच्या मॅक्झिमम कॅपॅसिटी तेवढं ॲड करू, फर्दर ॲडिशन नॉट पॉसिबल होतो. त्या कंडिशनला आपण काय म्हणायचं? आता एअर सॅच्युरेट झालेलं आहे. कधी कधी म्हणतो आपण म्हणजे खूप ताण पडला, आता काय सॅच्युरेशन लेवलला आलेलं आहे. फर्दर नेक्स्ट स्टेप or addition of the water vapors is not possible. For saturated air, relative humidity is 100% and degree of saturation is what? 1. Okay.